Is whether JAMB registration date has been extended. That is possibly because a lot of persons have not been able to register, right? I'm making this video 10 days after registration for JAMB 2025 started. So let me give you the update, the current hot breaking news, right? The JAMB board has announced that over 700 candidates have registered for its upcoming examination. It means a lot of candidates are actually rushing this registration. This is a record-breaking number, 700, right? A lot of persons are rushing to register. JAMB Registrar Professor Ishaq Oloyede disclosed this on Friday while inspecting accredited computer-based test centers in Lagos. According to him, the registration process, now in its second week, has recorded significant number. I hope you are following. Number of applicants. As of today, we have registered 779,714 candidates. Remember, this JAMB is very important. At the end of this video, if you keep watching this video till the end, I'm going to give you a gift, and that gift I'm going to give you free JAMBs past question, free JAMB syllabus in your subject, because the important thing is not just about writing JAMB and registering for the JAMB, it's about passing. Last year millions, hundreds of thousands scored less than 200, hundreds of thousands scored less than 180 in JAMB, and it will not happen this year. Every one of you following our channel and Noble Tutorials must score at least 300. If you claim it, type I claim it. Okay, let's keep going as I tell you the extension details about whether they extended or not. So they have registered 779,714 candidates. This is the 10th day of registration. 779,714 persons have registered within 10 days. This is crazy. And in one day, the figure currently stands at 780,202 with 11,512 underage candidates. That is, by underage candidate, they mean those candidates that are below 16 years, right? You know, before they were saying if you are below 16 years you cannot write, but now they made an exception that there are children that are exceptionally brilliant, and they gave them the pass to register for JAMB, and if they score above 80% of 400, that is, if they score up to 320, they can enter school. For those exceptional candidates, here is what they say. The policy maintains the 16-year minimum age in 2024, but extend the exception for highly gifted candidates under 16 years. If your child is under 16 years and exceptionally gifted, that means the person is exceptionally intelligent. The person can also write JAMB and gain admission, but that is if the person can score 320 in JAMB. Are you with me? JAMB has also created an FNE for underage and overage individuals which wish to experience the CBT format but are not yet eligible for full admission consideration. Those that just want to experience the JAMB but they don't yet want to enter school, or they are not yet up to age, they are still underage, they just want to experience it, can also register. Are you getting me? That is just for the mock. That is called JAMB trial and all the rest. Now, let's go to whether JAMB extended. Look at these dates on your screen. Sales of JAMB form started on, it was supposed to start on 31st January, but they shifted it to 1st of February. Close of mock exam selection, 22nd February. Close of registration is 8th March. So as of now, on Friday, when the JAMB registrar made this announcement of that they have registered over 700, he also emphasized that there is no room at this moment for extension. So I want you to assume that JAMB is not extending the registration. There is no talk of extension of registration date for now. So as of now, 8th March is the deadline for JAMB registration for this year. Why is this important? I made this video so that you will not go and relax. so that you will not go and relax and expect that a miracle will happen and the registration process will be extended. There is no extension. There is no extension at the moment. So get yourself ready and go and register. Do you understand? Get yourself ready, go now and register for your exam. In our channel, you know, like I know, that we have been serious about giving you all the materials you need, like giving you JAMB past question. The first point is go and register. If you have not registered, go and register. If you have registered and you want to share your registration story with all of us, other members of our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, please let me know so that we can give you an option, an opportunity to speak to all of us, share your registration story, because a lot of persons are actually having difficulties with their registration. Your story can help them. Your story can inspire them, right? So if you have registered and you want to share how you register, the story of your registration with us, let me know now so I can give you that option to share your story. But beyond that registration, we have also been giving you materials you need, right? Because the important thing when you have registered, the next important thing is passing the exam. Like I said, we are serious about you scoring over 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, also let me know. So we have been giving you materials. One of the things we have done in this channel is we have been doing reading and review of Lucky Headmaster, the JAMB novel that all of you must read. If you can't read it, we have read it from you. We brought our time and did chapter by chapter review of that book, chapter by chapter reading and review of the book Lucky Headmaster. If you want me to share the link of all the videos, both expected questions, we also did videos on expected questions, expo questions on Lucky Headmaster. We have also done videos on expected questions from use of English beyond Lucky Headmaster. We have done on economics, we have done on other subjects. So any of those links you need, any of those materials you need, don't just keep quiet. So my message for you today is rush now and go and register for your JAMB, right? Then keep preparing, keep reading, keep using the videos we are making here to prepare. JAMB is not like any other exam where you can access help. Anybody telling you that they will help you, they will upgrade your score, they will just scam you. So get ready, get serious. I am seriously preparing videos for you. I want you to get ready. If you want to get free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, do 3 things. Like this video, just boop the like button, share this video, click on share it on YouTube, on WhatsApp, copy the link, share on WhatsApp, on all the JAMB groups you belong to, both on Facebook and other platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button. Just click on subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, let me know. Just comment under this video and say, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Remember, there is no extension. Go and register now. There is no extension. There is a video on the screen. Click on it and watch.